Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are here to solve Leetcode problem of the day, and today is 2nd September 2024, and the problem is rank transform of an array. Actually if you read the statement, actually you are given the array and you have to give the rank to each element that are given in the array, and there is the rule that how you will give the rank. So the rank represented how large the element is. On the basis of how large the element is, the rank are the following. Rank should be greater than or equal to 1. That means that rank should is an integer starting from 1. The large the element, if the element is large, their rank should be large. And a question is also coming in your mind that what if two elements have the same value? So in this situation, you if the two elements are equal, then their rank must be same, and you have to minimize the rank as possible as you can. That means that if you have like here, let's see the example one. If you see here, you are given 40, 10, 20, and 30. So in this example, you can give the rank of 4, 1, 2, 3. But you can also give the rank like for this you can give the 5 and then 2 and then 3 and then 4. But 5, 3, but this is not minimum. So to minimize, you can start from 1 and then proceed further. Let me show you in an example. Okay, all right, let's see. For this one it is given 4, but you can also give a rank something like this. You can give 8 to it like something, and then to second, like you can give the third, and you can give 4, you can give 6. It is also satisfying the condition, but there is one more condition, that it should be minimum. All the condition above condition, let me show you that all these two condition, sorry, this will not satisfy the condition rank in and starting from, so you have to start from 1. Sorry, this will not be possible, so let me erase it now first. So you have to start from 1, and this is very simple problem actually. From beginning you have to start with 1 and then proceed further. So what we will sort some this array, and I will show you that there is a problem if you simply sort it. 10 and then 20 and then 30 and then 40. So what you will say, the rank is 1, 2, 3, 4. If there is one more element like this one, 10, 20, 20, 30, 40. So in this case what you will have to do, 1, 2, 2, 3 and 4. If the two elements are similar, then their rank must be similar. So these are the cases, and here 1, 2, 3, 4. But the problem is their respective indexes has been changed. One was it index, if I mark indexing above 0, 1, 2, 3. Then here 10 is at index 1, but here 0, 1, 2, 3 at index 0. So you also have to take care of their respective indexes before sorting. So you can make 2D array, or maybe the priority queue, I mean min heap. You can implement min heap where each element will contain their value plus their index, so that you can put their rank in their respective index. You can also make either min heap or 2D array. This can also be represented as 2D array. You can index, and then let's suppose here you add 0 and then 10 and 1, and then again 20 and 2 and 30 and 3. So now you can sort on the basis of their values. So now if you will sort it, then 10 its index is 1, and 20 its index is 2, and then 30 its index is 3, and 40 index is 0. Now you can start with rank. You can make a variable rank that will start with 1, and then what you will say, 10 should have the rank 1. If the two element, like if here there are one more element like 20, and let's suppose 3 was there, so in this situation, when it will this element will rank 1 and this element will rank 2, and this element also have to have rank 2. So you have to handle that if the value are similar than previous, are similar with than the previous, then you will not change the rank, you will not increase the rank, you will only just put that in the answer. So in this case, I will make an array for answer. So let's suppose this is 0 and 1 and 2 and 3. So it position 1, you have to put rank 1. So I will put the rank here 1. Okay, alright, then I will go to the second element. Second element is 20, that is greater than 1. So I will have to improve the rank. So the rank will be now 2. 20 at the index 2, you can put the rank 2. Okay, now here again the element is 30 greater than 20, so I will increase the rank 3, and at index 3 you will have to put the rank 3, and at last now you will here, because the element is greater than the previous element, so we will also increase the rank and 4, and then put the rank at index 0, we'll put the rank 4. So this is the answer. You can also match it from here 4 and 3, and our answer is 4 and 3. So this is the approach that how we will solve our problem. You can either use, you have the flexibility, you can either use a 2D array, and in 2D array each element have the size up to their value and their respective indexes, and you can either make a, an array which contain the value and index in the min heap, and you can sort on the basis of their, you can give the priority on the basis of their values. So you have the both the choices, you can pick up any of the choice, and you can proceed to solve your solution, to solve your problem. So let's try to code now. So let's try to solve using array. Okay, okay, let's, its name is pq, and then should have the size n is should have the size 2. Let me define what n is. N is array dot. Okay, so for you can put the value, so array of I comma I, and this is the way I make these array. Let me show you. In this way I have made these array. This one, I made this one, and now I will sort it. Arrays sort, which array you have to sort? PQ, and you have to give the priority, so I will give the priority like I am using the lambda function to give the priority and which index it, and using which index it should give the priority to the heap. So I am using their value, so I will put it here. Choose their respective zeroth index, what the values there in their zeros index. So it will make the priority and it will sort your array according to the first element that are present in each array. So now no, I will modify the original array, and I also return the same original array return. Okay, so this is not, this have to be the rank, and also I have to make a previous element, then previous I will store in the previous element that is there in 0 to index 0. But there is one more case. If you can see the constant, it can be 0. So in this situation it will give you index out of bound here. So I will make a check here that if n is 0, so I have to return an empty array. No, you can also use array here, no problem. So here now I will make a check here that if previous element will be equal to then both the value. Let me clarify here that at index 0 I am storing the value, and at index 1 I am storing their respective indexes to keep track their index. So if this is the situation, I will, if I will increase the rank in tq that index, what will I do? This will return you the index of that element, and on that element I will put their rank. That's all. Let's try to run our code. What was happened? So it is starting from 0. Sorry, I have, as as mentioned in the question, that you have to start the rank with 1, so I have started with 1 now. So in this element there is something. What happened? One. Okay, here I have made one more mistake, that I didn't modify the previous variable, so that's why it's giving me the wrong output. So now, so this is, you can also put it here that previous element will be less than or 0. It will also work for you. Now let's try to submit our solution. Our solution has have been accepted, and it beats 22.56% of the people, and it's taken 42 milliseconds. In memory wise, it beat it 88.68%, and it has taken 57.32 MB. If let's try to analyze the time complexity here, and the time complexity is here the linear time complexity, and here we are sorting, so this is actually taking the n log n time complexity, and it's also the linear, so overall linear plus n log n plus linear again n log n time complexity will be there for our solution. Let's try to see here that what is. So we cannot see, do not have the subscription, so I cannot see, but our time complexity is n log n. So that's about the problem, all about the today's problem. If you have any query, if you have any suggestion regarding this problem, you can ping me below in the comment box. Make sure you like videos, and please share to your friends if you feel that it is helpful for us to improve their coding. So also please share my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day and be healthy mentally and physically as well. Thank you.